Okay, as the initial step, you have to wait patiently for shutdown because sometimes Windows takes small little bit time to close several background tasks. So you have to wait for shutdown it. So if it is not helping, you can remove all the external drives, like you are connected with the USB drives or external hard drives. Remove all the things, then after try to shut down your computer again. So if it is not working, go to start menu, tap on power icon, hold your shift key on your keyboard, then after while you are holding, tap on shutdown. So this will bypassing fast startup kind of thing. So you can try to if it is helping or not. So if you need to disable fast startup permanently, you have to go to search bar, type run, tap on run application. In here you need to type power cfg.cpl like this, hit enter. Tap on choose what the power buttons do option. Tick the tap on change setting that are currently unavailable. Untick the turn on fast startup option. So then after tap on save changes. Again you need to go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type sfc space / scan now, hit enter. Once it is completed, you need to type dism online cleanup image restore health and hit enter. Once it is done, try to shut down your computer. Then after right click on your start menu, go to device manager. If you see any warning sign like this related with your driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers to update their updates if it has some problem. If it is not helping, choose the second option, choose this one, select your driver from this list, then after you can tap on next to reinstall it. And again go to start menu and go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find power related troubleshoot like this, tap on run. It will find the issues related with power. Okay, you can see there are two options was there, so it is automatically fix that one. So if it can't fix, it will show which error is happened. You can try to solve it manually. Again go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it, change the view bar into large icons, tap on power options in here, tap on choose what the power buttons do, change when I press the power button not sleep to shut down, and this one also shut down. Then after tap on save changes. And some apps block the shutdown by running background tasks, so you have to disable it manually. To do that, go to search bar, type registry editor, right click, tap on it, double tap on H key current user like this. Then after go to control panel, go to desktop, find is there any value is called auto end task. If there is no, you have to right click on the empty area, go to new, go to dword 32-bit value, set the name as auto end task and tap on OK and double tap on it, set the value as 1, tap on OK. So then after you have to restart your computer. Other than that, you can try to use your CMD for shut down the computer. Open command prompt as administrator.